I want to present a speech on climate changes. The average temperature of a region, long period of time, is considered to be that region climate. The people who live and region get used to the condition of the climate. As the climate of region dependent on certain factors, they are the location of the region, mountainous region, seaside and plainland. The average rainfall in their region in a year, the amount of sunlight it receives and many more. These factors help in detecting the climate of a place. Weather and climate are two different factors. Weather can change within a few minutes or a few hours, and the climate does not change for about 35 years. It is a climate that makes suitable habitat for the natural vegetation and the animals. The climate of a place allows species of plant to grow in a region and survive.